Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat. This is your social study class grade 2. I am your teacher Miss Lubna Ashraf with you. My dear student, we are doing lesson number 8, building houses. Yesterday we have done the reading of page number 40 and 41. In this lesson we learn about what is a house, different types of houses, and how houses are building, how houses are made, and which materials are houses made of. Now, first of all, what is a house? House is a place where the people live together with your family member and keep their things safely. Some people live in a small house, some people live in a big house, and some are in a bungalows or flats. Mostly small houses have one or two rooms, but in a big houses have more than two rooms, like drawing room, dining room, bedroom, washroom, etc. Now in this lesson we also learn about some people that helps how to make the houses. Now let's start today's reading. Book page number 42. Page number 42. Everyone take out your pencil, book page number, and underline the difficult words. A plumber fits all the pipes and taps. You can see here a plumber in daily routine when your sink or basin pipes are not work, so plumber fit all the pipes and taps. So student underline this word plumber. Next one is a bricklayer workers bakes bricks for building the walls. How to make the walls? Bricklayer worker make bricks for building the walls. You can see here one man is bake the bricks. Now student underline bricklayer. Next one is a laborer digs, lifts, carries things and helps the other workers. Laborers, you can see here one man lift something or carry something and help the other workers. Now underline this word laborer. A carpenter makes the windows and doors. He works with wood. A carpenter makes the windows and doors. He works with wood. Now underline this word carpenter. Who is a carpenter? A carpenter makes the chair, tables and wooden things. Next one is, you can see here the one man fix the button or switches. This man is called the electrician. An electrician puts in all the wires and the plug points. An electrician puts in all the wires and the plug points. Underline this word and repeat again, electrician. Next one is a painter paints the walls and the wooden frames. A painter paints the walls and the wooden frames. A plasterer covers the wall with a smooth layer of plaster. A plasterer covers the walls with a smooth layer of plaster. Now a plasterer covers the wall with the plaster or concrete, not concrete, cement. Some of these workers also do repair work and make other things. Not only these people works at construction of the house, and other people also make or participate or repair other things. They make small things like tables and chairs. A carpenter who makes the tables and chair? Carpenter. They help to build big things like dams, factories and bridges. Who makes the dams, factories and bridges? A laborer. Okay. Now the next page, open the next page and underline these difficult words. These people, electrician or plumber, carpenter, use some specific tools. Now we learn about in this page different tools. Carpenters, plumbers, electricians and other workers all need tools. Without tools, these people are not done your work, so they have to use different tools. Tools help them to do their work. Many thousands of years ago, people did not have tools. Many years ago, people don't have the tools when different time the people invent the different tools. They use their hand to do everything. When the tools didn't have, so the people use their hand to do everything. Nowadays people are very clever. They have invented tools to make their work easier. These tools makes their work easier. What is the meaning of invented? Invented means to produce or design something that didn't exist before. What is the meaning of invented? To produce or design something that did not exist before. Now student, you can see here the different pictures of tools. Who uses these tools? What are they used for? Who uses these tools? What are they used for? First is hammer. Hammer is usually used the carpenter. Hammer are used to generally carpentry, framing, nail pulling, cabinet working. Next one is plumb line. Plumb line. This tool is used to make straight and vertical line, and this tool use a plasterer or laborer. Third one picture is drill. Drill. Drill machine is used for making round holes, and drill machine usually use electrician or other laborer like this. Next one is screwdriver. Screwdriver. Usually this tool used for turning screws with slotted heads. This tool use carpenter and also laborer. Chisel. 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 This tool is the cutting tool with the sharp edges at the end of metal blade. Saw. Saw. It is also cutting tool. Mostly this tool used a carpenter. Plane. Plane is also used a carpenter to smooth the surface or surface of the wood. Pliers. Pliers are used in various shapes and sizes and many other uses. Next one is pipe wrench. Pipe wrench. Pipe wrench is used to hold or turn pipes. You can see here the file. File is a tool to use to find materials like wood or steel or iron. Trowel. A trowel is a small hand tool used for digging, smoothing, applying material. This tool used plasterer, laborer, and also use a gardener. Spanner. Spanner. Spanner tool used to provide grip and tighten or loosen fasteners. Now, my dear kids, these are the very important and useful tools, but when you have to use these tools, to be careful. Safety, according to safety rules, tools are useful, but you can hurt yourself if you use them badly. Take care of them, use them only for the jobs they were made for. Okay, kids, don't touch these tools without any instruction, without any guidance. Only use those people they were made for. Now student, we have done today page number 42 and 43. Now everyone do the reading practice of these pages and do the practice of difficult words. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.